So, a couple comments right now on the Olight R50 Seeker. It comes in this really slick sort of box, and there's a charger and a cable in there, but really you can charge it off of any micro USB cable. And right now, I'll take it apart. The battery it uses is a 26650 lithium-ion cell. Now, more and more flashlights are starting to use this cell. It's a larger cell. The prior one is a 18650, which is this. But as you'll see in a second, it's got two contacts on the back, and those made up with contacts in the tail. So the charging circuit is in here, and what that means is that generic 26650 batteries not only will not charge, but they actually don't even fit because they're just a touch longer and there really isn't much space in here. So really impressive amount of power from this. There's basically 3 lower light levels which you access by pressing. So there's a kind of the on, and then what happens is if you hold it, it cycles between the 3 lower levels. So it's low, medium, and high. And then if you double press, it goes to turbo. So that's quite a bit brighter. I would say the turbo is easily brighter than a sort of my reference in this area. I have an EC4S. This is a night core using the same emitter as the R50. This one, according to Nightcore, puts out 2150 lumens. The high on this is less, so maybe 1800 lumens. Actually, according to this, it's about 1200 lumens, so that's probably about right. While the high is definitely brighter than the 2150 this puts out. Lumens are not linear. The doubling, if you go from 1000 to 2000 lumens, it doesn't look twice as bright. It looks about 50% brighter. So the best thing to do is try to compare it by doing what's called a ceiling bounce test, where you shine a light on the ceiling and you look down at the general illumination of the room. Interestingly enough, even though this uses 2 18650 batteries, it doesn't put out as much light on its highest setting. It also weighs a touch more. Tail stand isn't quite as nice. This is somewhat pocketable. I guess I would argue that the R50 is just a little bit smaller, and overall is probably a little more compact in terms of being able to fit that into a pocket. But really surprising amount of light for the size. Really impressed with the quality of the machining and the anodizing. It's even got a glow-in-the-dark O-ring around the center here. As I mentioned, it does have the charging, so that obviously is something the Nightcore does not have. I'll put the rest of the information in the review, and thanks for watching.